Another Fed rate hike looms around the corner, but that didn't stop the Dow from jumping almost 750 points as overall stocks closed sharply higher this past Friday. Speculation indicates that the Fed may be considering smaller rate hikes after November, but don't get it confused. The Fed is still discontent on how effective the recent hikes have been on tamping down inflation. Now, while the U.S. Central Bank appears set to again lift its benchmark rate by 0.75 of a percentage point at its policy meeting in early November, there may be some debate among Fed officials over whether to hike rates by 50 basis points in December. Now, all three major U.S. stock benchmarks scored their biggest weekly percentage gains since June as investors continue to assess companies' earning results from the third quarter. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 4.9%, the S&P 500 climbed 4.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 5.2%. Since things have gone so well this past week, let's go ahead and take a look at this week's biggest movers and losers on Wall Street. Welcome to Money Talk Sunday. I'm your host, Stevie B. For those tuning in via your favorite streaming platform, hit that like and share button. You can also subscribe to the Money Talk Sundays podcast. The link will be down there in the description box. For those viewing on YouTube, like, share, and subscribe. You can even hit the notification bell to receive the alerts of new videos dropping, or so they say. I don't really know if it works or not, but let's just do it for, shits and giggles. Now, coming in at number one with the 1 week change of 109.04% is HUDI International Group Company Ltd, ticker symbol HUDI. HUDI closed Friday with a stock price of $58.92 with a trading volume of 219,696 shares. HUDI, or HUDI, develops, manufactures, markets, and sells industrial stainless steel seamless pipes, tubes, bars, and plates in the People's Republic of China. The company's products are used in oil and gas transmission, chemistry engineering, food processing, medical devices, aeronautics and astronautics, boiler, irrigation, works construction, electricity, automobile, naval architecture, paper mill, and mechanical industries. It also exports its products to 20 countries, including the United States, Mexico, and Thailand. Now, what's particularly interesting about HUDI is that it opened trading at $31.01 Friday and peaked at $65.56 before closing at $58.92. The materials sector, which HUDI is a part of, as a whole climbed 2.8% off the strength of HUDI and another materials stock, Metallo Royalty and Streaming Ltd. The materials sector includes chemicals, construction materials, containers and packaging, metals and mining, and paper and forest products. The materials sector is very sensitive to fluctuations in the global economy, the US dollar, and inflationary pressures. Now, coming in at number two, we have CABA Bio Incorporated, boasting a 1 week change of 95.48%. It closed trading Friday at $1.80 with a trading volume of 7,239,448. CABA, ticker symbol CABA, CABA, is a clinical stage biotechnology company out of Philly that focuses on the discovery and development of engineered T-cell therapies for patients with B-cell mediated autoimmune diseases. Its proprietary technology utilizes chimeric autoantibody receptor, CAAR, T cells that are designed to selectively bind and eliminate B cells, which produce disease-causing autoantibodies or pathogenic B cells. Now, 5 insiders purchased shares of CABA Bio, CABA, during the past month. The total number of shares purchased was 346,000. CABA has several positive investing signs, which include no long-term debt and an equity-to-asset ratio that is outperforming more than 90% of its global competitors. According to reports, the reason for the surge in CABA stock is that investors are responding to regulatory findings showing a number of insider stock buys. Company president and CEO Steven Nittberger acquired 141,873 shares for 99 cents each. Company president of Science and Technology Gwendolyn Binder acquired 20,000 shares for 99 cents each. Company director Mark Simon acquired 118,000 shares for 97 cents each and 7,000 shares for 97 cents each for the spouse. And company CFO Anup Marda acquired 50,000 shares for 99 cents each. So with the insider stock buys, that caused the price to go up. Sounds very pumpish to me before you dumpish, but we shall see-ish. Now, rounding out the top 5, we have AKUS Incorporated, Tuanchi Limited, and AMPX Technologies Incorporated. AKUS is up 78.24%, closing at $13.23, with a trading volume of 1,106,462. TC, Tuanchi, is up 77.78% with a closing price of $7.87 and a trading volume of 425,206. AMPX is up 66.92%, closing at $11.11 with a trading volume of 9,369,507. Now, the top 5 biggest losers for the week are one of our top gainers for last week, Immunic Incorporated, ticker symbol IMUX, dropping 77% this past week. Olaplex Holdings Incorporated is down 55.12%, and Kano Health Incorporated is down 47.45%. Milestone Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is down 41.85%, and Talaris Therapeutics Incorporated is down 39.83%. Ladies and gents, that was our top 5 biggest winners and losers of the market this past week. Are you invested in any of these stocks? If so, when did you jump into these stocks? How are you dealing with the losses? If you have one of the top 5 losers right now you're invested in, how are you dealing with these losses? Are you hedging your bets? Are you going to buy some more? Or are you going to sell? What I really want to know, with so many different stocks out there, how do you really know which one to pick and choose to start following? Let me know in the comment sections. Drop it in the comments. Let's share it with the rest of the people in Bros Nation, and we can all get this money together. Now, I need a program for myself, but I'm going to keep doing what I do until I find the best way to get what I need to get. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your boy Stevie B, signing off on Money Talk Sundays. Happy trading.